Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 15 Plus, and today I'll show you how we can apply the camera lens protector to this device. So, to get started, I do have a fairly cheap one, as you can see right here. Nothing really special, but it still does the job. So, getting in here, we have the actual lens protection, and then wet and dry wipes. To be completely honest, you can use a microfiber cloth instead of these wipes if you want to. I'll be using them, so I just get both of them out. So this is the dry one, and here's the wet one. So you want to clean off the lenses along with the area around the lenses. Come on, there we go. So get around it. The lens protector will be sticking to this kind of area, not the lenses themselves. So you want to clean it around the lenses as well, so there's no, like, for instance, oils and stuff like that, so the glue actually can stick correctly. We're gonna grab the dry one and just wipe it around. There we go, good enough. Now, grabbing our lens protection, you will probably have a little bit of a kind of weird thing like this here. So when you see this, just before you apply it, just make sure you're going to be applying it correctly. So for me, this ring goes where the flash is, and then you have these two holes for the actual lenses, and then the actual hole in here is for the microphone that is right here. So anyway, let's just peel that off from here. There we go. And simply put it on. Now you want to wiggle it around so it goes over the camera. Sometimes the glue will get stuck to the edges of the camera. You want to make sure that it is going all the way on there, as you can see. Then press it down. There we go. Wipe it off, and we're good to go. Pretty simple. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.